Breaking news: Yoruba Monarchs in Benin Republic move to secure asylum for Sunday Igboho. Yoruba-speaking monarchs in the Benin Republic are hoping that the French-speaking country would soon release Sunday Igboho from detention. The Yoruba Nation activist was declared wanted in Nigeria by the Department of State Services for allegedly stockpiling arms. Igboho and his wife were detained by the International Criminal Police Organization at the airport in Cotonou, the Republic of Benin, on their way to Germany. Cotonou, Benin Republic. An emerging report claims that Yoruba-speaking monarchs in the Benin Republic are trying to secure the release of Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, from detention. According to the Punch newspaper, the monarchs have submitted a letter to the President of Benin Republic demanding asylum for the activist. The newspaper stated that traditional rulers have advised the French-speaking nation not to allow itself to be used by Nigeria to score political points. The spokesperson for Ilana Igboho Oduduwa confirmed that the monarchs have played an important role, in trying to seek asylum for Sunday Igboho, and the important role is to guide Sunday Igboho not to be handed over to the Nigerian to score political points. The spokesperson has just said that in the quest to secure Igboho's release. One of the monarchs, who does not want to be named, said the details of the meeting with the government will be made known to the press later. He said, according to the letter, says, "We have started meetings with government officials and allies of the president. We will still discuss the outcome of the meeting with the press, but that is not now." In the other hand, Murik faults Afenifere over comments on Sunday Igboho. Well, Afenifere leaders, monarchs, Yoruba leaders, they are all one. Well, but Murik in his own, meanwhile, the Islamic group Muslim Rights Concern says it is unacceptable for Afenifere, the Yoruba socio-political group, to compare Sunday Igboho with Prophet Muhammad, Moses in the Bible. Okay, that is his own plight. Well, Afenifere and Yoruba monarchs has already put in place measures to make sure Igboho is not being extradited. Onto what the Murik have just said, which is just a side attraction. They said in a statement there is nothing wrong with Igboho fleeing Nigeria because Moses ran away from Pharaoh and Prophet Muhammad fled his hometown to escape persecution. But Ishak Akintola, Murik director, said the circumstances that made Prophet Muhammad migrate are different from the travels of Igboho. Well, the Yoruba monarch has already jettisoned what they are talking about. They are giving illustration. They said the president or spokesperson or Murik, whatever he might have called himself, antagonizing the Afenifere, says it is none of their business. What they want is just to for Benin Republic to release Sunday Igboho. That is just their own agitation and their plight. And police also, trying to charge rally suspect unlawful assembly. In another 48 suspects were even suspecting that Sunday Igboho has been rallied for just because everybody is protesting against, the bad governance of President Muhammadu Buhari, and they are protesting against, for the release of Sunday Igboho. Courts in Benin Republic are, putting heads together to make sure the agitator Sunday Igboho is not being extradited. Well, according to so many people asking so many questions, but he says he's maybe he's commenting from the north, or he's a Fulani person. He says, is the Yoruba monarchs the sponsor of Sunday Igboho agitation? Someone says you must be crazy. Why will you say Yoruba monarchs? According to the headline, which says Yoruba monarchs in Benin Republic, they are seeking for Sunday's asylum in Benin Republic, not to be extradited to Nigeria, because you have forgotten that despite that Benin Republic is a francophone country, we still have the Yoruba speaking people in the region. Well, go to Benin Republic and ask them, or better still, ask Google. Go and ask your forefathers. Just like the way Northern monarchs sponsored Boko Haram, is that the way you think Afenifere or Yoruba monarchs are sponsoring Sunday Igboho's agitation? Even if Sunday Igboho has been sponsored, with that agitation seeking for good governance, is it not a good thing? Is agitation, or if is agitating a symptoms of terrorism? No. Sunday Igboho, on the other hand, and his supporters, they have not, carried arms or to stockpile arms, according to the allegedly what's it called, argument or accusation over Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho do not carry arms. Sunday Igboho do not, harass anybody. But he is just, agitating for self-determination, for good governance. The killings in Oyo State is becoming too much, and that is why Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu are bereaved and do not like what the present administration is doing in his bias, ethnicity, and sentiment towards the nation Nigeria. And they say, Nigeria, we are supposed to be one. We are one. How can we be one when Fulani are killing people and nobody is saying anything? The Yorubas, if they kill, the government will rise up. The Igbos, if they kill, the government will rise up. Just because there was a reprisal over the killing of Yoruba people and the eastern people of Nigeria, the government thought it much that they needed to be arrested. And meanwhile, the herdsmen that were killing and perpetrating evil are not being killed. But that's another topic for another day. Well, from the comments that the Yoruba Monarchs are seeking asylum for Sunday Igboho, the request is, if there is anything seems coming too late when the man is already in preventive detention and was never and did not see at the Yoruba nation issue. Well, according to this person, what he's saying is that it is very good that the Yoruba Monarchs are waking up from their slumber. Yes, they are waking up from their slumber. Yoruba will say, Shebi Yoruba niyin, Shebi Arawa niyin, all Yoruba are the same on earth. Well, hope Igbo monarchs and their governors are learning from their Yoruba counterparts by Yoruba monarchs standing for Sunday Igboho, their son. It's not a bad idea if certain people are hating their Fulani brothers, and it's not a bad idea too if the Yoruba monarch are hating Sunday Igboho. It is vice versa. If you think you can shade or shield the Fulani herdsmen, from killing people, and you are not giving justice to where justice is supposed to be served, then the southern people also will support one another. But somebody has just said that if the Igbo monarchs can put heads together and support Nnamdi Kanu the same way the Yoruba monarchs are supporting Igboho as it is, it will be a good place for all of us to live in. Let us say no to bad governance. Let us say no to nepotism. Let us say no to genocide, attack. And let's say if we're going to say we need one Nigeria, it should be reconstructed. Yes, which is the constitution of the nation must be reconstructed. But the northern elders and the northern people would not want the constitution to be restructured just because it is one side favorism. Oh, we are not practicing federalism in Nigeria, but we adopted democracy. But as it is good news that the Yoruba monarch are supporting Sunday Igboho vividly. Well, I would like you to share your comment in the comment section. Thanks for listening and God bless you. Thanks.